Nurse, each time I have intercourse with my partner, I notice sperm leaking out from my V. Nurse, are you sure this is not the reason why I've not been able to get pregnant? Now, a lot of women have been asking this question, and a lot of people have been complaining about this. Even in the hospital, they've been complaining. That is what we're going to be discussing in this video today. I'm going to explain what the sperm really is all about and how it works. Hello guys, what's up and welcome back. This is Everything Health with Nurse Dara. In this channel, we get to discuss different topics related to health. If you're seeing this face for the first time, I am Nurse Chidera Cynthia. I'm a registered nurse, registered midwife, registered public health nurse, and a Bachelor of Nursing Science degree holder currently practicing here in Nigeria. Now, if you're asking questions like this and you're worried about this, then this video is for you, and keep watching. It is important to know first of all what the sperm is all about. During sexual intercourse, when a man ejaculates inside a woman, what he ejaculates is what we call the semen. The liquid you see is called the semen, and in that semen are sperms, hundreds of millions of sperm cells inside one ejaculate. That is, when a man have intercourse and ejaculates inside of a woman, that liquid you're seeing contains hundreds of millions of sperm cells inside of it. These sperm cells cannot be seen with the naked eyes. These sperm cells can only be seen with the help of a microscope. These sperm cells also contain the normal, healthy, fast-swimming sperm cells and the abnormal, unhealthy sperm cells. That is, sperm cells that have like 2 heads, 2 tails. They are not healthy. It only takes one sperm cell to fertilize an egg. Once a man ejaculates his semen inside of a woman's body, the fast-swimming sperms are already swimming their way through to the fallopian tube to look for the egg and fertilize the egg. So the liquid you see leaking out of a woman's body after intercourse, which people call sperm, is actually the semen, and it contains the weaker sperm cells. So you absolutely have nothing to worry about. Once the ejaculate happens inside of a woman, the healthy sperm cells are already on their way. They are already swimming fast to the fallopian tube to go and fertilize the egg. So the question of can I still get pregnant if after having intercourse with my partner I notice sperm leaking out from my V? The answer is yes. You can still get pregnant because the sperm that is needed, the healthy sperms, are already on their way to the fallopian tubes. You can't see them with your bare eyes, but they are already actively swimming their way through to go and fertilize the egg. So what you see coming out is just the semen, and you have absolutely nothing to worry about. Okay, another myth I would like to talk about is when you see people after intercourse, they raise their legs up to stop the semen from leaking out, or they use pillow to support their waist, their pelvis, to lift it up and prevent sperm from leaking out, or they lay in bed for hours to prevent sperm from leaking out. Actually, what you need to do after intercourse is to get into the bathroom, urinate to prevent urinary tract infections, and clean yourself up, and you'll be fine. The sperm cells are already doing their job. They don't need you to help them. This is their nature. This is what they do. Once they are inside there, they are already swimming up. You don't need to assist them by lifting your legs up. They already know what to do. This is their work. This is their job. Okay, that is absolutely not the reason why you're not getting pregnant. All you need to get pregnant is just one healthy sperm to fertilize the egg. That is all. And the sperm are already fighting their way to be the winners of this race. So you don't need to be worried. You don't need to stress yourself. What you see coming out from you after intercourse is actually the semen, which usually contains the unhealthy sperm cells. The healthy ones are already making their way into your fallopian tubes to fertilize your egg. That is the simple answer to that question. You can still get pregnant even with sperm leakage. To further emphasize on how active they are, people who use the withdrawal method as a method of contraception, if the man ejaculates very closely to the V, the sperm cells can still manage to find their way inside and swim fast and go and fertilize the egg. So when the woman finally gets pregnant after using withdrawal method as a method of contraception, she's worried. She might be concerned, stating that the partner used the withdrawal method. So why is she pregnant? Well, the sperm can be that active, yes. So you don't need to worry about sperm leakage at all. You don't need to worry about it. Also, even with the withdrawal method, a little liquid coming out of a man's body while the intercourse is actively going on can also contain some sperm cells. So if you're waiting for when the man is done with the intercourse and then ejaculates outside and then you're safe, my sister, think again. If you're trying to prevent pregnancy, think again, because in 9 months time you might actually come visiting. This is it for this video. I hope I've been able to clear the air on this particular topic, and if you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe and join my little family. Leave a comment in the comment section and I'll be there to respond if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching. This is it for now. See you in my next one. Bye.